Hey there, Stu Sterling here. Alright, so I want to do a little bit of an experiment with PLR content. And, I'm sure you have a lot of PLR content on your computer. I do. I think everyone who's been around internet marketing for a little while has some kind of PLR. So you're probably wondering, how can I use PLR and how can I make the PLR content unique so I don't get any penalty from Google for having duplicate content. So I'm going to do a little experiment using a few various tools. First up, I'm just going to use a PLR article that I have lying around on my computer and see if it's already online, published online. So first of all, I noticed there's a couple of strange characters in here, so I'll run it through Grammarly. Okay, so I've just run it through Grammarly to get rid of those strange characters, and we have a decent looking article. So I'm going to copy this now, okay, and run it through Copyscape to see how many copies are on the web. So it's coming back with 5 results. So I know this has been published online before. So I want to make this unique. I want my own unique version if I'm going to publish it on my website. So the little method I want to try is to translate this article using Google Translate multiple times through a handful of different languages. And then finally back to English. Okay, and of course I'll probably have to proofread it to make sure it makes sense, so I'll run it through Grammarly and everything, and then I'll Copyscape it again to see if it comes up with any duplicates. So here I am now at Google Translate. You want to come to the actual Google Translate page so you can get the full 5,000 character limit. So 5,000 characters should let you translate. So it's equivalent to about 800 words or so. So this should be within the limit. Oh, it's well within the limit, so that's good. So what I want to do is I want to translate it. So it's actually English there. So I'm going to translate it into a variety of different languages, just at random. Okay, there's no special formula here. So first of all, let's go with Japanese. Okay, now we want to take the Japanese text and then paste it back over here. Okay, so that's Japanese. And now let's choose a different language altogether. Let's choose Turkish. Okay, so now we have it in Turkish. Let's copy that. Let's paste it over here. Now it's Turkish. Yep, translate from Turkish. And let's go one more before we go. Let's go to Indonesian. Okay. And then copy the Indonesian and paste it over here. Translate from Indonesian. Let's go back to English now. English. Okay. And let's copy that, and actually I'll take it over to Grammarly and check the grammar, and then I'll do the plagiarism check. So I'll paste my new article in there. I'll just read through and make sure it reads okay and there's no mistakes in it. So I read through and it reads okay. So now I'm going to do the plagiarism check to see. Oh, and look, it's telling me it looks like your text is 100% original. We found no matches. So actually, just to make sure, I'll run it through Copyscape one more time. Let's paste it in there. Do a search. We found one result. Let's go and compare and see what part exactly. Okay, so it's quite a bit. Okay, so I'm not sure why Grammarly didn't pick this one up, because it's actually very close. it's 50% of the text is the same. So we're a little bit stuck, but I have one more card up my sleeve, and that is to use Quillbot. Alright, Quillbot is a rewriting tool, uses AI, of course. There are a bunch of these kind of rephrasers, rewriters out there, but Quillbot is one of my favorites. Very easy to use, and the results it produces are fast and very good. So basically, the whole translating idea and stuff didn't really work, so it's not really ideal. So this is what I should have done in the first place, right? I should have just got the article. Alright, so actually I just realized I wasn't using the whole article for that little test, but I think the tests kind of, the test results gave me a kind of clear answer as to what happens when we do the translation. So what I'll do is I'll copy the whole article here, and then I'll go put it in Grammarly, okay, and I'm gonna have to fix these. Okay, yeah, there are a couple of weird characters. Okay, so that's done. I'll copy it here at Grammarly. I'll go over to Quillbot now and paste it in, and I want to do just fluency or simple. Doesn't really matter which one. You can choose the amount of synonyms that you want to use in the rewritten version. So I'm just going to hit rephrase here. Alright. So it's done it for me. The original was 736. Now the new version 729. Let's copy this and let's go back to Grammarly. Let's fix up any grammar or weird things here. And you want to also proofread it just to make sure it makes sense. Alright, so hopefully this works. I've gone through and fixed all the mistakes and made sure it reads okay. So I'm going to run it through. First I'll try the plagiarism tool in Grammarly, see if it brings up any duplicates. Alright, 1%, I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, this is the sentence that is the same. I won't worry about that. Let's run it through Copyscape. Let's go back here. Let's paste it in there. And it's found 2 results. And let's see, compare this one. See, it's still 39% the same. This one is 38% the same. So it's not too bad. Of course, it'd be up to you whether you want to use this article on your website. Obviously, it's not 100% unique, but it is about 60% unique. So for me, personally, I would be okay with using this article on my blog with 60% uniqueness. Now, for you, it might be different. You might want 100% uniqueness. So you could rewrite a couple of the sentences, and Quillbot would be the tool to use for that. So you can maybe rewrite it again, use a different mode here. You could try and expand it or make it more creative. Quillbot will be able to do it for you, make new versions of this, and then you can run it through Copyscape again until you're happy with it. Alright, so we'll wrap this video up. I hope you've gotten a few things out of it. Actually, I was surprised that Grammarly's plagiarism tester and Copyscape's tester gave different results. That was pretty surprising. But I hope you could see the usefulness of these tools like Quillbot and Grammarly and Copyscape to spin your articles, to rewrite them, to get unique content for your websites and stuff. So I hope this has been helpful. If you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also, if you're not on my email list yet, go and sign up, get on my email newsletter. You can visit the link in the description to go to my website, and you can also get some free gifts as well that I give to my email subscribers. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you got any questions, pop them in the comments below, Anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. This is Stu Sterling. I'll see you next time.